You've heard of the American Revolution, heroic speeches, brave generals, and fireworks. But did you know the fight for independence nearly collapsed because of fear, betrayal, and psychological breakdowns most textbooks barely mention? In this video, you'll see the hidden human chaos behind America's birth, the panic, the trauma, the secret decisions that could have erased the United States before it even began. Uncovering America's strangest and forgotten real stories. And before we dive in, comment below, do you think the revolution was won by strategy or pure luck? It's the 1770s. Colonists are angry, but they're also terrified. Farmers, printers, dock workers, ordinary people suddenly forced into war against the most powerful empire on earth. Early victories spark hope, yet behind the scenes, soldiers freeze, starve, and desert in shocking numbers. Rumors spread faster than gunfire. Loyalists spy on neighbors. Entire towns fracture under paranoia. Even leaders secretly doubt whether independence is possible. Then comes a moment most Americans don't fully grasp, the psychological collapse during brutal winters like Valley Forge. Men without boots leave bloody footprints in the snow. Letters home revealed depression, fear, and thoughts of abandoning the cause. Some officers argue the rebellion is already lost, and yet propaganda paints confidence while chaos brews underneath. But here's where things get strange. The revolution wasn't just fought on battlefields, it was a war of narratives. Pamphlets, rumors, and whispered stories became weapons. Some patriots exaggerated victories to keep morale alive. Others spread fear to push communities into loyalty tests. Neighbors who once shared dinners suddenly suspected each other of treason. But what happened next shocked everyone. A series of unlikely turning points, foreign alliances, desperate gambles, and risky leadership decisions flipped the psychological tide. Soldiers who once wanted to quit began believing in something larger than survival. Ordinary citizens transformed into symbols of resistance, even while their private letters revealed exhaustion and trauma. And here's the truth most people never hear. The American Revolution wasn't a clean, heroic march. It was messy, uncertain, emotionally brutal. Many who fought weren't sure which side would win, or whether America would even exist a year later. That tension, hope battling fear, shaped the nation's identity long before victory was secured. So now I want your theory. Was the revolution truly inevitable, or did America survive because of a few fragile moments that could have easily gone wrong? Drop your prediction in the comments and tell me which hidden detail surprised you most. If you love forgotten American history, you'll love what's coming next week. This was just one forgotten disaster. Want to hear about the next hidden American tragedy? Subscribe, it's coming next week.